My name is Melanie Yasserie. I'm married to Credence Yasserie. We have 5 children, Brandon, Paige, Jarvis, Latricia and Chloe. As a fifth generation, I had never had any interest in learning about our culture from my grandparents, purely because we lived in a mainstream world and I was too interested in playing games, everything like that. So as I got older and started having my children, they started questioning me. So it was about time that I started finding out for them, as well as my own self, our heritage, where we come from. We've always known that our family is from Urangan, Harvey Bay. Our great-grandfather, Fred Davis, he had settled there. He had bought land and was very active in the Harvey Bay community. So after he had done that, he had encouraged his children to move out and explore parts of Queensland and build their own foundations. Grandad Davis toured with a boxing circuit. He was known as Billy Burke. He then settled in Mackay and he lived in Havana, where he used to do the crushing and cut cane. I was told that he used to ride a bike to work. He used to go home and get his cane knife, get on his bike, and then off he went to cut cane. After that, they moved to Farley, which is where he raised his 10 children, and he worked at the Farley sugar mill for 32 years, right up until his retirement. I can still see Grandad to this day with his lunchbox going up to work, coming home for lunch, even though he just lived up the road from work. He used to always bring home sugar, so the family was never without sugar. Our family still visits the land all the time. We take our kids out there because that's part of our memories that we can pass on to them. We recently had a wedding there about 2 years ago. My younger brother, had got married there, so that was a great occasion because all the family had come together and we went to the land that we grew up on. Well, all my granddad's sons and their sons, my cousins, at some point have worked in the sugar industry doing the crushing, carting. We've all lived on cane farms at some point in our lives. I've still got a brother who actually works in the sugar industry. The sugar industry is a part of our daily lives, and sugar will always remain in our blood, in our family.